Walmart, we came to Walmart because la Vero de Tijuana y Christian 664, they looked out for the two little ones for Mariah and Daniela. Y dijo que les agarremos snacks, right?
Yeah.
So ahorita van a ver ahorita, they're posted waiting, no saben lo que les vamos a agarrar.
Yeah.
So tap in, aquí andamos en la Walmart.
Walmart came to get Mariah and Daniela a little something. Gracias a la Vero de Tijuana y Christian 664, como dice Babe.
Oh yeah, they're ready for el grito on 15 de septiembre, but the holiday is on 16 de septiembre. Septiembre, Spencer. September. So gracias once again, Christian 664 y la Vero de Tijuana for his blessing. I was walking and I seen the pants. Look.
No, you know what you need? Look at this one.
What?
Look at, come here. This won't be good looking because it has all this.
Oh yeah, 100%.
This one.
Oh no, that's expensive.
It's expensive, yeah, but
You know how much that is? Like $105. Let me know if you guys think that's worth it right there. $105. Yeah, they got everything. Let's roll. But soon we're gonna come to get those, right?
yeah. Are they good?
Yep.
And then two for $5.57. Only for two, and the other one is
Yep. I need this for sure. You need some, baby, huh?
There's a B one, a 2X.
They have a white one, at least.
Oh yeah.
Golfis.
Probably the NY is gonna only be extra grande.
Think so?
Yeah. Yeah.
And how is it like?
Oh, but you know.
Oh no. Ni modo que me van a querer ver así, right? Let me see it. How... Les digo, el pocas caras.
Sleeveless.
How about this one? Is it I'll take this one. It's rough.
Huh?
No, but I'm always with a black.
Yeah,
Sí.
you always with the black one. Pero
But that's the only no hay, huh? Let's roll. I'll get this one. Some different color. So we're gonna go get them their snacks.
this is what we're talking about.
Oh
Cowboys all day.
no. Oh no. We'll do that way. ¿Dónde están las cookies? Let's roll. They're about to get hooked up. So van a ser 80 pesos each.
So one of these.
Okay. Two, you mean one and one?
Yeah.
So put them right here. That's 26. This is for Mariah and Daniela, remember.
Yeah. And algo de tomar.
Yeah, but you could also get something else. Yeah, it's 80 and 80. Like some other kind of cookies. Like this. Y unas little Doritos, ¿vale?
Yeah.
Aquí no tienen little Doritos, so it has to be like...
In the front.
Oh, yeah.
You gave me something to do?
Oh yeah. Slowly, slow. Mira. This one each.
Okay, yeah.
A 7-Up. And then right now we'll get some chips. De una vez acá, pero no tiene que ver nada con el video, pero vámonos recio. Porque este video es especial. This video is special. Bro. So right now we're gonna go pay. We're gonna go pay. Gracias. Highly appreciate the blessing. Highly appreciate it. You guys will see when we give them to them in their hands right now. Stay tuned. So there it goes. There it goes. Let's pay. Time to pay. A blessing. A blessing. Every blessing to us is a huge blessing.
So last stop is right here. We're filling up the water jugs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one.
So this right here is from La Vero de Tijuana, Christian 664 and their boy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yep. Dicen gracias, gracias.
Tostitos.
Unas Takis.
Okay,
Tostitos.
Tostitos.
What?
Cookie box. I love cookies. That's a chip. Oh yeah.
And
Last but not least,
7-Eleven. Yes.
7-Eleven. Beep, 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 beep.
Up.
So muchas gracias. Highly appreciate it. Highly appreciate it. Blessings your way to you and yours, and may it return back to you the blessing three times more. Y con eso dicho,
Thank you. Thank you.
blessings your way. If you guys could comment down below. Muchas gracias. Highly appreciate it. Gracias y blessings. Ahí andamos, puro pa' adelante. They're taking their cover photo picture.
you guys like it?
Yeah.
Let's roll.